In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this infographic slide animation using PowerPoint. So let's get started. Assalamualaikum and welcome guys. I'm MT and you are watching Tech and Tech channel. As you can see, this is our final output. To create this, first we have to take a new blank slide. So take a new blank slide. Then right click and click on Format Background. Then go and increase the transparency to 100%. Then close it. After that, expand this menu clicking here. Then choose the second last icon of rectangles menu. Make a shape like this. Then go to Format, Rotate and select Flip Vertical. Then change the color from Shape Fill. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Now click outside of the box. Select that shape from this menu. Make a shape like this. Then place it in the exact upper middle of this shape. Click outside. Select this shape. Holding the Ctrl key, select this one and both will be selected. Then go to Format, Merge Shapes. Then click on Subtract. Now click on this small icon here. Go to the second option, Effects. Now Shadows. Make the color here absolutely black. Transparency 70 to 80%. I'm gonna keep it 75. Size here 106%. Blur 10 point. Angle 0 degree. Distance 0 point. Then close it. Click outside. Now select that shape again and make a shape like this. And its width should be the same as the previous one. Then go to Format. Change the color from Shape Fill. Go to Shape Outline and No Outline. Then bring it over the previous one. Right click and send it to back. Now resize it a bit and click outside. Now to write something here, we need a text box. So select the text box. Make a box over here. Now change your font to any highlighted font. I'm choosing this one. Then write your text here. Select the text. Make it bold. Place it in the middle by clicking here. Increase its size and change the color. Now click outside. Then holding your Ctrl Shift key, drag this down here like this. Then change the text to number. Select the number and increase its size. Resize the text box and place it in the exact middle. Then again select the text box and place a box over here. Change the font. Make it bold. Place it center and add your headings. Now selecting the text, change the color according to the upper shape color. Then click outside. Now make a copy of this text box. Add your text here. Then selecting the text, change its color and decrease the size. Now select these two text boxes and press Ctrl G to group. Now select all the elements. Pressing Ctrl Shift, drag it to right and make a duplicate. Like this way, make more copy of this. Now to have some color variation, we have to change the color of this upper shape. Select the upper shape, go to Format, change the color from Shape Fill. After changing the shape colors, change the color of the heading text. It's very easy, just select and change. Now change the numbers. After that, I will add some icons. So insert the icons. Now place them according to the upper shape color. Now select all of these and place them in the exact middle. Now write your title here with text box. I'm not gonna waste time on this, so I'm gonna copy the title from my previous slide and paste it. Now it's time to add animations. So select this shape, go to animations, then add animation and select float in. Then start on click, duration 0.50, delay 0.25. Now select the upper shape, add animation and float in. Then start after previous, duration 0.50, delay 0.25. Now select the text, add animation and here select zoom. Now start after previous, duration 0.50, delay 0. Now select the bulb icon, add animation and zoom. Here start after previous, duration 0.50, delay 0.25. Now select this shape, add animation and float in. Then start after previous, duration 0.50, delay 0.25. Select the upper shape, add animation, float in. Here start after previous, duration 0.50, delay 0.25. Now select the text box, add animation and zoom. Start after previous, duration 0.50, delay 0. Same for the icon, select it, add animation and zoom. Here start after previous, duration 0.50, delay 0. In this way we can animate the rest of the elements. But there is another way to do it first. We can simply copy the animations from our previous shapes and paste it. So select the previous shape, click on animation painter and by clicking paste it. Then go to this shape, animation painter and paste. Now select this group, animation painter and paste. And same for the icon. Now let's do the same with the last one. Now if we start the slideshow, we can see all the animations are working perfectly. So that's it. Hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, feel free to ask me in comment section below. And if you want to check out more videos by me, please do subscribe and stay connected. And yes, thanks for watching.